Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Mr. D's Music Reviews. Today, I'm going to talk about Ibanez RGMS8. This is multi-scale 8-string guitar. Right away, we are starting with the unboxing. And as you can see, I ordered this guitar from Thomann. What is interesting is that this guitar is always on pre-order when I look at their page, and it seems to be very popular extended range guitar. I waited around 2 weeks for the delivery, I think. And their shipping is always top-notch. I will open the second box very carefully. So we got here a hex key for the truss rod adjustment and also the one for bridge saddle adjustment and a cheapo guitar cable. There's something here. It's a manual. Most of you will find it pretty useless, I'm sure. The reason that the guitar has no case is that this is a cheaper leak Ibanez. Stringed by D'Addario. Woohoo! And these are some quality check stamps. I have to say that guitar came with the perfect setup out of the box. String action was flawless. As you can see, it's a beautiful instrument. Not the most delicate paint job, but again, you get what you pay for. Out of the box, it looks mighty. Ready for some hard riffs. And for this price range, it looks and feels great. Ibanez makes one of the thinnest necks on the market, and here is no exception. This is multi-scale wizard neck. And when I say multi-scale, I'm referring to 27.26 inch on the lowest string and 25.5 inch for the highest string. Back view, an input jack, and this is the only thing I don't like on this guitar. Due to the multi-scale design, the nut has to be angled, and this space here looks kind of weird to me. But there is a solution to this problem. With the A string, it's a good idea to have this so-called fret wrap. Anyways, it is beneficial for the recording because it dampens overtones if you place it right here. Or you can mount this pick holder, for example. So what is cool about Ibanez guitars? Well, according to the serial number, you can find out where and when the guitar was manufactured, as well as the country of origin and the factory. Just Google Ibanez serial number decoder and you will find it. The stock pickups Array 8 MS are very decent. Not bad at all, but not the best. But again, for this price range, they are very usable. There are 8 mono rail bridges, also very usable and necessary for the multi-scale design, meaning each string has a different scale length. What is unique about this RG model is the 5-way switch. Well, usually you get a 3-way switch for the 2 humbuckers, and this is what is different about it. Neck pickup and neck pickup wired parallel. Both pickups with coil split and the bridge pickup. Tuners are okay. Probably the first thing to upgrade if you need locking tuners, for example, and the neck wood is a combination of maple and walnut. The fretboard is made of Jatoba wood, also known as Brazilian cherry if I'm not mistaken. It is very durable and less expensive than a mahogany. And body is made of Nyatoh, I hope I'm pronouncing it right, which is an Asian growing wood a bit denser than mahogany. And the factory tuning, what do we got here? I think it's half step down. So to be honest with you, I cannot really play on this low F-sharp tuning, so I changed the strings and now I have this so-called the high A tuning. So with the low and high A. Just a small disclaimer here. By modifying guitar in this way, you will lose the warranty and or money back guarantee. So I scalloped just half of the neck from 24th to the 10th fret. It's a light scallop because of height of the jumbo frets. And since I changed the tuning, scallop was the next logical choice for me for the shred-friendly neck. I also glued on this extra 25th fret for the first two strings to utilize this extra space here. And this is how this baby looks and sounds. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you found this video useful. If not, I am sorry. Feel free to post any questions if you have in the comments below. You can also find me on my Facebook fan page. Link is also in the description. And don't forget to subscribe. See you guys next time. Peace.